Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan here. Here, basically, we are discussing about one topic that is currency related. And in this, basically, we are going to discuss one topic that is assume that in really, basically, this incident basically has not happened. Assume that today world is going to end. Just assume basically, because this video basically is going to be very useful basically on last day of world basically. But last day of world basically will 100% come one day basically. That is 100% sure. So and assume that basically myself also basically does not exist, or basically it might possible I die also. That also basically is possible, or it might possible that I will be there also basically on the last day of world. One person told that basically the world is basically getting end here. Now what should we do? Then he told that basically he basically connect to that Sunil R. Nair's video basically. Do you remember basically Sunil R. Nair has told one thing basically, the 3 crore matrix basically in USA and 10 crore matrix in India. Then he told that yes, here basically we remember that matrix. So that matrix is equal to India basically. India land. If that matrix end, India land ended. 3 crore matrix end, USA ended. So that is basically the last day of world basically. So in this world basically assume that there are more than uh, 100 crore matrix mapped in this world basically. This includes sea water also, because sea water also basically contains matrix. Without matrix basically sea water will come inside the city, that also within second basically. Entire Mumbai will come and go underwater basically within second basically. Will be underwater within second if that matrix does not exist. So he told that basically in this world basically there are basically how many matrix? He told that basically 100 crore matrix basically are there here basically. Then the world is basically getting end basically. The world is basically getting end, and that type of basically discussion basically is going between two people basically. They are basically the experts in this world basically. They have basically done all the matrix and everything basically they are doing. Assume that basically. Then basically he told that basically, yeah, what should we do basically? 100 crore matrix basically. If the 100 crore matrix will end, then basically world will basically get end. Because the satellite basically has left the control basically due to some reason basically, or basically there's something basically happened to the satellites, due to that basically the control basically left. But this basically real basically mostly basically this will never happen, because one earth planet basically is controlled by, for example, Vadodara city is not only controlling by one or two satellite basically. There are basically many satellite basically which are controlling the Vadodara land basically. Like this basically how many satellite basically will be for the world basically. There will be hundreds of satellites basically. So mostly this will never happen, but possibilities basically are there. So he told that basically let me calculate the matrix basically we have in this world basically. Then he told that basically 100 crore matrix basically are there here. Then he told that basically yes, here basically 100 crore matrix are there. Then 100 crore matrix basically are connecting to which country basically, that you have checked. Then he told that basically yeah, this country basically has ended and this country is connecting to that country. That means next the world basically is going to collapse, that is this country. Then he told that that country, like this basically the entire chain was basically connected. In this chain basically one person told that basically in corona basically we have breaked all the chain and we have created a new chain basically. Do you remember that? Then he told that yes, yeah, basically we have done that basically. So we have created new chain basically, that basically matrix. Then he told that yes basically, yeah, and we have mapped that with the new matrix also basically, that basically. Then he told that yes basically we know, we have only mapped basically, like this basically lots of discussion basically ongoing. Then do you remember basically in corona, before corona basically this many satellite was there and this many matrix was there? Yes basically I know. In this basically after corona basically we have added a few matrix, and we have changed the matrix also basically of the world basically. Then he told that yes, basically 110 crore basically matrix are basically there now. Then he told yes, basically. So 10 crore matrix basically we have added. Then he told that yes here basically. So that 10 crore matrix basically we have to do something in that 10 crore matrix, so that basically we can at least can save few countries basically. We can save at least few countries basically. So immediately basically he changed the matrix of that 110 crore basically, which was controlled by set of satellite groups, and that satellite was controlling by set of computers basically. So that matrix basically immediately when he changed the entire matrix, then basically world basically 25% world basically was ended, but suddenly basically the collapse basically stopped basically. But that basically there basically the computer must exist, the software basically must exist, that all things basically must exist basically. So that land must exist basically. So that land basically wherever basically that land would be, that land must exist basically. Assume that that land is in USA, New York, or basically Russia, or basically in India, in Bangalore city, in NASA, basically wherever basically. It can be basically anywhere. It can be underground, wherever basically. That computer must exist basically. That is the only one condition basically. Here basically I'm just taking as an example basically. So this also basically connects to the currencies basically. So one of the person told that basically that means you want to say that currency energy basically are connecting up to this level basically, because you don't know no basically when the world will end basically. So we have taken one small example basically, the world will end today, tomorrow basically, anywhere basically day. According to that basically we have taken one example basically, just that's only basically. So currency system basically thinks up to this level also basically. Visa system basically thinks up to this level also basically. Currency is equal to set of human needs, and set of human needs basically are dumped in the city basically, and they creates the human needs, and they basically place the human needs according to the attraction only basically, which all are the basically dangerous thing basically which can attract. For example, in Mumbai basically there is only possibility, two possibilities are there. One is earthquakes, another one is seawater basically. There is two possibilities, there is no other possibilities basically. It might possible that some energy basically might, that matrix basically I have told that basically 100 crore matrix, 111 crore basically after corona, 111 crore, sorry, 111 crore matrix basically are there. So that matrix basically might get effect. So basically three possibilities are there. One is that 110 crore matrix, another is seawater basically, that will get effect basically when this 110 crore matrix will get effect. Third is earthquakes. So third earthquake matrix is also connecting with this 110 crore which was basically designed after corona. So like this basically things are basically there. So this also basically affects the currencies directly. This thing basically which we discussed, this all basically discussed which affects directly to the currency system basically, and currency system basically directly affects to the visa system, and visa system is up to what level basically it's connected basically, that we have already saw basically. Each and every question basically which we ask, according to that question basically the energy system basically judges the thing basically, and energy people basically never sits in front of the visa people, visa the visitor basically, who are basically into the who are basically the applicant basically you can say, or candidates basically you can say, who are basically giving the visa basically, sorry, they want the visa basically. So like this basically things basically are there basically. So here basically the topic which we are discussing, that is currencies to currencies dependency, currency to currency dependency, how basically it affects to entire system basically, how basically currency to currency basically affects, what all basically parameters. For that basically more than 1000 books basically are created. Here basically we are just discussing few points basically, but in real basically there are thousands of books, and for thousands of books you can just imagine basically which type of system basically they might have created. They might have added basically how many types of